Allison Treacle is an attorney, a legal analyst for NewsNation affiliate KTLA in Los Angeles, and former high school classmate of Erik Menendez. It's nice to have you back, Allison. Thanks for being on.
Thank you. I mean, a lot has changed, Ashleigh, in the time that we spoke. I mean, this is
Has it ever?
Erik. No, I can tell you, Erik and Lyle aren't going to be home for Thanksgiving, and probably not Christmas either.
Well, I wondered that. Obviously, the pathways that involve the district attorney and the judge, those clearly, have a bit of a hamstring here. But what about the clemency? I mean, there's still an opportunity for Governor Newsom to declare clemency for these guys, which means they would walk out almost immediately.
Yeah, and Governor Newsom has granted 186 pardons since he's been in office in 2019, but most of those he has sent them to the parole board for further review, and sometimes the parole board sits on that for 6 months to a year. So it's not a direct path to freedom. And here, although this new DA, who is a very reasonable person and wants to do the right thing, there's no way he's going to be ready. He gets into office on December 2nd. The hearing is set for the 11th. He has no access yet to the files nor to any of their prison records. There's no way he's going to be able or willing to proceed on December 11th. Since the last time we spoke, a judge has, in fact, been appointed to the case. This is somebody that I know very well. He is extremely thorough and fair. He's one of LA's best Superior Court judges, and he takes his time too. So the question is, can Hochman say, I'm just going to withdraw the request? He can, but he only can do it for a legitimate reason. There was a case that was decided about a year ago on a similar issue, and the court basically said, look, we can't have you change a sentencing request just on the change of the political winds. So Hochman's going to be in an odd position because this is going to be one of the most highly scrutinized cases for his first immediate, attempt at office. And is he going to say, I agree they should be resentenced, or is he going to take a more hardline approach, which is what he's basically promised the people in Los Angeles?
Allison Treacle, I'm going to keep you on speed dial because I keep thinking there's a possibility Gavin Newsom might do something. I keep thinking that judge who is not afraid of ruffling feathers might do something. So we'll have to reconvene. And I think you're right, though. I think Thanksgiving is a little ambitious. But thank you for this.
Of course.
Thanks for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your screen. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.